Happy Vlogmas Day 12, everybody. I am just out of the shower. I've made myself a little coffee. But yeah, I thought I would show you a little what I eat in a day today for Vlogmas Day 12. Lazy girl edition. Also, lazy girl who wants home-cooked meals in the wintertime edition, because that's the kind of vibe we're on right now with food. But first, as always, is coffee. To my coffee, I add banana flavor drops. These are from My Protein. I have been using these for honestly years, but I just put in like 5 or 6 drops to my coffee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stir. And then we put in whatever milk we have, which today is just regular old soy milk. I think everything that I'm going to be eating today is going to be vegan / plant-based. Yeah, I eat a mostly plant-based diet, but I don't eat completely plant-based anymore, which is why I don't like putting labels on it. So that's just my little disclaimer. But yeah, so I mix my coffee, it's nice and frothy. And then I'm also going to sprinkle some cinnamon onto my coffee. So doing this one-handed is quite a challenge. Nice. Cup of water to have alongside my coffee. I'm also still getting over a cold that I've had for the past few days, so need to make sure I'm hydrating. Also, before I forget, we're gonna do our vitamins. Every morning I've been taking, well, every morning I remember, I've been taking vitamin D and vitamin B. These are vitamin gummies. These are just like little blueberry gummy bears in vitamin D form. They're quite yummy. So I take one of them, and then I take one of these strawberry B complex vitamin gummies. So I think this one is just vitamin D3, but this one has like vitamin B3, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and some other stuff. The reason I take these is because it's winter in the UK and I eat mostly veggie. So that's why I take these two. But yeah, I'm gonna drink my coffee now and get to work. Hello, it's lunchtime. I'm aware I haven't eaten breakfast. It's just one of those days. I woke up quite late, so we're just gonna go straight on to lunch. I have been on a soup making hype at the moment, so I made this soup last night. It is, oh look at it, it's onion soup, which is my favorite kind of soup. First time making it. Oh my goodness, that looks so stinking good. So stinking good. And also going to heat up some kitty pond salad. I'm gonna have 2. And then I'm also gonna put 2 in for Mark. Also guys, I was right. So I made this soup last night, and I was like, oh, it's gonna taste even better overnight the next day, and it does. It's all like marinated together, it's so good. I'm still toying with the idea of putting Marmite into it. I haven't done it yet, but I feel like Marmite would work. Please let me know what you think though. But yeah, I'm gonna serve some up for me and Mark with the buttered rolls. Oh, it's gonna be so good. So if you want to see how I made the soup, I made it in yesterday's Vlogmas, which was Vlogmas Day 11. I also ragged Taylor Swift 1989 while making this soup. Check that out if you want to see how I made it. It was pretty simple though. I didn't use any like fancy dancy ingredients really. So yes. I'm very excited. This is exactly what you want in the winter time. So I've got 2 rolls each. I'm gonna serve Mark's up first and then do mine. Also give them, I'll give them a couple cheddars, because why not? Couple cheddars. Spoon. I'm also gonna give them salt and pepper, if I have pepper. I might not have pepper. But where are you? I can just give you a couple crackers. Thanks. Oh, there's salt if you need it. Does it need salt? I've got extra salt. Enjoy. Bye. Okay, now we can serve up mine. I'm gonna put butter and marmite on my rolls. Marmite. This is my favorite soup mug. Et voila. Bon appetit, guys. I'm gonna give the soup a wee try. So I'm just gonna dip my roll. That is so good. I completely forgot to let you know, but I'm drinking orange juice, or at least well, tropical juice. This, but I think I'm gonna make a half decaf coffee. Also, I put the rest of my soup into an airtight Tupperware. Yeah, let's make a coffee. So we have decaf and we have normal cap, half decaf. A little bit of normal. More banana flavor drops. This is to get me through some more work. Splash of milk. I kind of want a sweet, so we're gonna open the next of the Swizzler advent calendar. So we're on to number 12, I think. What goes? Oh, oh, oh. Santa walking backwards. It's another drumstick. That's Mark's dinner.
Absolute child meal.
Woo! Meanwhile, I am away to make. I don't even know if I could be bothered making this today, but we're gonna do it.
Haggis,
do it for you guys. Yeah, we're gonna. It's gonna be a very homely meal. My first time trying to make it. We're going very adventurous out of the boat with my cooking this vlogmas, guys. We've got some veggie haggis. We've got some
turnips.
Neep. It's even labelled neep.
It's a neep.
It's a neep.
Neep neep.
Neep neep. Which I've never cooked a neep before, so. And we've got tatties. So we're gonna have haggis, neeps and tatties, but we're gonna have them my favourite form, which is in like a cottage pie type form. The first time I tried this was when Mark's mum made it for me and my life was changed. So first I need to figure out what the hell I'm doing with this So first I need to figure out what the heck I'm doing with this turnip. How does one cook a turnip? I do not know, but we need to cook the tatties, we need to cook the turnip before we can do anything. I'm gonna have a quick cheeky mini cheddar. well, we figured it out. So basically we're going to want to mash everything up. So this, like I said, we call it a neep here in Scotland. I believe they call it swede in England, and everywhere else it's a turnip, if you're wondering what the heck this is. I think you just like chop it up and boil it, surely. We're gonna chop it up first. Let's chop it up. I wonder, can I use a peeler? Okay, turnip is peeled. So now, oh god. Fucking hell. Now we're just gonna chop it up. We're gonna put them in here to boil. The meat is ready to be boiled. I have a feeling I've put too much in there, but it is what it is. We'll try and boil them down. We'll just kind of hope for the best. We also need to peel our potatoes. Okay, I think this should be enough potatoes, so I'm going to just put these into again, knocked off her feet. Baby with a new romantics. Okay, these have been boiling for like 20-25 minutes. So I think they should be ready to mash. Oh yeah, I think that's ready. Oh, the potatoes are definitely ready. Drain them. Potatoes drained. Neeps are drained. Wait, you're supposed to? Nah, surely. It says you're supposed to cook this for 45 minutes. Okay, let's attempt to mash. Might just cook it in a pan. Is that acceptable? A baby with a new romantics. Can you come along with me? So this is what haggis looks like when you get it. I think I'm gonna like fry it up in a pan. We've made the mash. Mashed neeps, mashed potatoes. I added butter, salt, thyme, garlic. I think that's it. The haggis has been cooking for a bit, so now it's kind of breaking away. So I'm gonna mush this up, and then we'll get assembling our haggis pie. We're going to assemble it in this dish here. So first layer is going to be our haggis. Then we're going to put our neep layer and smoosh that down like so. And then the final layer is the potato layer. And there we have our little pie. So we're gonna top that with some garlic oil. And I'm gonna put this in the oven for like, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. Can you see all the layers? Wow. Let's pop her in the oven. there's our cottage pie. The layers under there. I've made some gravy to go on it. Yes. Look at the cross section. You can see the haggis, a bit of the neeps, and some tatties on top. Gravy bar. Oh. And that's going to be my dinner. So Mark's mum normally makes like a peppercorn sauce for this, which is great, but I couldn't be bothered doing that, so we've gone just with good old gravy. Bon appetito. Oh, this is so good, guys. Hi, we're back from aldi. I got some butteries from aldi because I just really fancied them, and it's been like a day of Scottish foods, kind of, so might as well end it off with the buttery. Alright, now I've got some lemon juice because I want this for baking. I'm thinking of making a blueberry cobbler. A blueberry cobbler at some point this week. And then I've got two juices. Aldi doesn't have clementine juice, unfortunately, but I did get this multivitamin boost juice. We're all about the vitamins at the moment. And I also got a cranberry juice. Also, I still have so much of this haggis cottage pie thing to eat. Putting oil on it and then putting it in. I'm gonna make hot chocolate. The buttery is a bit charred at places, but we're gonna add butter and jam. I think this is going to be the last thing that I eat today. So my buttery with butter and jam and a hot chocolate. So I'm going to love you and leave you. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you tomorrow for vlogmas day 13. Also, we're officially halfway through. Thanks so much for being here. I'll see you in the next one.